like that. You went before the compound. You're going to want a few people going around the left, start then get around the left. A few people going around the right hand side. As soon as you get around the right guys, you'll see where they're starting. So if you get around there, pop round, expect there to be a few people.
They're bringing the bomb in here?
Yeah, the bomb's in the middle now. Yeah. We've got to get the bomb to the chopper. They've got to get the bomb to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so small squad going on the left, small squad going on the right, and the majority of people, guys, want to go straight to the compound find the bomb.
Yeah, over this side of the river.
What?
Where are you going?
Who's got the bomb? They can't get the anyway. No, who's got the bomb?
Well, that's the bucket for it,
How do you go into the middle?
That's the bucket for it, too.
Oh, you've got the middle.
What's it, going in all aggressive?
Right, get the bomb.
Run quick to the middle.
Huh?
Everyone that close. Yeah. I think we could close quarters run through the maze. The bomb's in the maze, you don't have to send them on the side.
Hey, there's like a few lights.
Where's the bomb?
In the maze.
In that building?
Right in the centre.
There's a few like mannequins in there with just
Grenade.
Do
Do you want to grenade it?
Oh my god! Oh.
Straight in the middle, man. You're on the side and chuck the grenade on.
Right, so what we're going to do is going to get over this side of the building, down there, to that side of the building, lock it on their entrance side.
We need to cover that door because that's their way in, I think.
Which door?
If there's a door around the back,
There will be,
their way
there will
in.
be, yeah.
Excuse me,
Go
guys.
cover that then. Go have speed though.
Is their bomb coming to here?
There's only one bomb.
Yeah, I mean the bomb,
They're trying to bring the bomb
they've
to
got to bring it
the
to,
bomb to them.
they've got to bring it to us.
What is that point in the helicopter? Helicopter, mate, you can't miss it. Okay, Sam. Yeah, we're ready, mate. You what?
Can you throw the bomb at the helicopter?
What's in the helicopter?
We've got to take the bomb to the helicopter.
Right. Do you want to get straight down to the helicopter and defend it? Forward.
Are they there?
I'm going to have to go over there.
Right, I'll cover.
Cover me, cover me. Dude, you're going to have to cover us. You're going to have to try and cover me so I can run. right in front of you. They're in the building. Dude, grenade, grenade. Oh! Right in front, dude, here. Right in front. I've got a gun jam. What are you doing, mate?
Are they in there?
Yeah, on the bridge, we're on the bridge. Oi! Gun jam.
See, look at this.
Oh no, smart. I'll just push it on, I think.
I can't. Right, I'm going to call Mike.
Go on then, walk over to him with your hand up.
Right, go.
Walk over to him with your hands up, mate. Go on, walk up with your hands up, in the air. Hands up in the air. Go on, both your hands up. Listen, there's someone on the bridge here, right? Yeah, right in front. Watch this. Listen, watch across there though. There's guys in there as well, so you've got to come this side. There's guys over there that will trap you.
Yeah, we've got the bomb in here. There it is.
Watch it on the bridge there. Look.
Get down.
Listen, we've got to get towards that bridge, okay? So we need two.
You need to distract.
Me and you forward.
Yeah.
No.
Good, because they're going to start coming from there, look.
Yeah. No.
Heck.
Oh, shit.
They're shooting at the top of that, are they? Well, at least they can move.
Right, we're going to get to the bridge.
Go on then.
Ready?
Whoa! They come out, I'm in here. Not here? No.
They're all coming from around that fucking way.
I'm out.
No.
I'm out.
I'm covering this side. No, I didn't break. Didn't break.
minutes, guys! 2 minutes left! Okay, fella, make love. Okay, go.
Can't live with them tournament guns, can ya? Jesus.
They all hit from long range, those fellas. Just they've got a little bit faster rate of fire.
They know how to use them as well, don't they?
Put your hand up then. Yeah? Hand up. You want to have little scissors.